Hello friends and welcome back to my channel #foodfundas. The situation is very bad due to pandemic. People cannot celebrate. So today I'm going to show you a very simple cake recipe for the new learners where you can enjoy as well as learn. Anyways, there is also the season of mango. So today I will show you a simple Rawa or Suji mango cake recipe for the new learners to learn and to enjoy. Let's begin with the ingredients required for making this cake. For this you need 1 cup of suji or rawa. I have ground this rawa into a fine powder. Next you need 2 nice ripe Alfonso mangoes. You can use any other mangoes also. Half cup of grain sugar. Half cup of refined oil. 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and some cut dry fruits. So the easy, very simple, delicious Rawa or Suji mango cake is ready. Now let's serve it. Demold the cake from the cake tin. See that the cake is cooled properly. Demold it. And then you can put some roughly cut mango pieces on the top and serve it warm. Let's cut a small piece and see whether the cake is cooked properly inside. Friends, you can see because we have used only semolina or rava or suji, the cake has become very grainy and you can see it is cooked very nicely. So the easy suji or rava mango cake is ready. I hope the new learners must have understood my recipe. You can also try and make it and share it with me. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe #foodfundas.